Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb on the third brake light on a Kia Rio. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, it's important to keep up on this for a couple reasons. If you live in a state that has a vehicle inspection, you will fail if that's not working, but most importantly, it's there for safety reasons as you're driving in traffic, and if you do get seen by a police officer, you can either get a citation or you could just get a repair order. Sometimes if you get an officer that's in a good mood, they'll just give you just a verbal warning to get it fixed, but it's important to keep up on that, mainly for the safety reasons of why it's there as that third one. So let's open up the trunk, and I'm going to show you where you get to it on this vehicle. It's very easy to get to. This harness that you can see right here, the cable to, that's it right there. If you turn that, you'll be able to pull it down and the bulb is inside and you can replace that. But first, let me show you what we're dealing with. I'm going to go ahead and push the brake and you can see what I'm talking about with the bulb being out. As I press the brake pedal down, watch the lights. You'll see that the left and right brake lights come on with no problem, but the third brake light in the middle is clearly out. Show you again. See that? So now that we see that, we're going to go ahead and remove this by twisting it, and I'll get a close-up, and then we'll be able to pull it down and change the bulb out. What I'm going to do is just turn it clockwise, and it pops right out. Now this is the bulb that is the replacement on this third brake light on a Kia Rio. It's the 921 bulb. That's the one that needs to be replaced. I do have gloves on. I've actually changed bulbs with and without gloves, and to be honest, I've never noticed a difference, but I know a lot of times the oil from your hands can cause them to fail prematurely. So for the sake of this video, I'm wearing gloves, but like I said, I don't always do it. To remove this, all you do is just grab the tip of the bulb and just pull it out. This one does not screw in like some other ones do. And then to put the new one in, just slide it right in. And then to put it in, you're going to slide it right back in, and then we're going to turn it clockwise. And it's locked in place. Let's go ahead and try it. Now with the bulb replaced, watch as I press the brake pedal. You'll notice all three brake lights on. Driver's side, passenger, and the third brake light in the middle. Everything looks good. Bulb's been replaced, the light's working, everything is safe with the vehicle. So that wraps up this video on how to replace the third brake light bulb on a Kia Rio. I hope that this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out if you're working on any projects with your Kia pertaining to the brake light. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. And as always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.